In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shared timer to Google Meet. This step-by-step guide will help you keep track of time during your meetings, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and on schedule. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and head on over to the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store is the perfect place to find all sorts of useful extensions that can enhance the functionality of your browser. Simply type chromewebstore.google.com into your search bar, and you'll be taken right there. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, the next step is to search for an extension called Meeting Timer. Just type Meeting Timer into the search bar at the top of the page, and you should see various options appear. Look through the results and find the Meeting Timer extension that best suits your needs, keeping in mind how you want it to function during your Google Meet sessions. After identifying the right extension, click on the Add to Chrome button. This will allow you to add the Meeting Timer extension to your Chrome browser. Once you click that button, a confirmation box will appear asking if you're sure about adding the extension. Go ahead and click Add Extension to proceed. This is an important step as it gives your browser permission to install and run the extension. Now that the extension has been added, it's time to make it easily accessible. Move your cursor to the top right corner of your browser where you'll find the extension's icon, which looks like a little puzzle piece. Click on it to open up your list of extensions. From here, you'll want to pin the meeting timer for quick access. To do this, find the meeting timer in your list and click on the pin icon next to it. This ensures that the timer is always visible on your browser, ready to use whenever you need it. With your meeting timer pinned and ready to go, it's time to plan your meeting. Open up Google Calendar by typing in calendar.google.com into your browser, or by selecting it from your Google Apps. Once there, locate the meeting event you want to add the timer to and click on it. Next, to join the meeting, look for the Join with Google Meet button within the event details and click on it. This will open Google Meet and get you ready to participate in your scheduled meeting. Finally, once you're in Google Meet, click on Join Now to enter your meeting. With your meeting timer extension pinned and easily reachable, you'll be able to start the timer as needed, helping everyone stay on track and manage time effectively during the call. And there you have it, a shared timer ready to keep your Google Meet meetings organized and timely.